If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika. I am here with another guest design team project for Andrea Bethke's online shop, the Fairy Tale Club. You guys can find her at andreabethke.com. This is for the Together Apart collection. If you haven't seen the papers or going through what's actually in the kit, I will link that in the cards or down below in the description box. Also, if you haven't seen the first video of the first project that I created, where I made these two super cute little inspirational shadow box frames. They hang as room decor, very neatly put together, very inexpensive, and then you can pick whatever paper you want from the collection that gives you hope and inspiration, or something that just makes you feel good. So I put this one together in the video, so I will again have that in the cards or down below in the description box if you're interested in watching that. So today I made a super cute memory decks card. So I use obviously things from the collection. I really like how it turned out. So I'm just doing a show and tell today to show you what I created and kind of walk you through how I did it. So let me show you what I did. All right, here is my memory decks card. I think it is so adorable. It just came out so cute, how I envisioned it. I wanted this really big heart just to help kind of bring everything together. We're going through something as a country, you know, world we're going through. So just kind of bring it together. I wanted to have that heart. So it's a memory decks card, obviously. I have outlined everything with some stickles. I will pull that out for you and show you. Just use some stickles just to kind of give it some flair. Didn't have any gold thread. I really wanted to do some stitching, but the gold really pops out here. So I use that all around the heart. As for the heart, I just used some dies that I had in my stash, and I put two of the larger ones together with some washi tape that I just received. Sticks very well. Great use of the washi tape. And I just ran that through 7 or 8 times through my die cutting machine to create the shaker that you see here. And I used some shaker bits from my stash to coordinate with the papers that I chose from the collection. Although there are a shaker mix that comes with the collection, this was pinks and pastels parts, so it had blues and reds and stuff in it. And so I just made my own little shaker mix. I popped up 2 of the Adage tickets that came in the collection on some dimensionals. It says, "I'm so glad you're here. Courage." Courage, I'm so glad you're here. Because it takes courage to just get up and go out right now, especially if you're an essential worker, and fight. So I wanted to have that to be inspirational for me. This is my memory decks card. Behind here I use some ribbon. This is actually Easter ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It's wired, so I cut it in half. After I folded, I cut it in half because I didn't want it this thick, and then I glued them together shorter so that they can be shorter on my memory decks card and still have the wire on both ends. So that's what I did. I added a little piece of gold paper from Michael's, a little gold strip that runs through the wired ribbon. A little fluffy pink heart sticks out here. Some pearl gems in an aqua color there is at the bottom. This courage just popped up on dimensionals as well. This is a tassel from my stash. It was gifted to me by the Glam Shop lady, I believe. I added one of Andrea's acrylic hearts here. I think that went there perfectly. It's a beautiful mint color. So the paper, everything is from the collection, and I just think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's pretty dimensional, and I'm going to put this, like I said, it's going to be for me. Just hands and heart together, courage. Yeah, I really liked how this came out. So I hope you guys do too. And I hope you will check out the collection. I hope you check out Andrea's shop for all of the other digital collections, the other paper collections that her and her husband run the whole shop by themselves from start to finish. So I really support that small business, and I really like her and what she stands for. So anyway, go ahead and check that out. I'll have all the links down below in the description box. And let me know what you guys think about this memory decks card. And just check in with me. Let me know how you guys are doing. And that's it. I don't make many memory decks cards, but I think this one came out absolutely adorable. And plus, it has a shaker. Like, you can't really go wrong with that. A shaker that makes noise. Love, love, love it. So that's it, guys. Like the video if you like it, and let me know what you think. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.